everyone. I am Dr. Lu, a biologist, acupuncturist, and herbalist. I specialize in traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, which is a holistic approach to health and treatment. In today's fast-paced modern society, our lives are full of stress, and health issues constantly plague us. How can we find a way to harmonize our body and mind and restore our health? The ancient wisdom of the East may provide us with inspiration. Today, let me take you on a journey to explore the vast and ancient ocean of knowledge in traditional Chinese medicine. TCM originated in ancient China and has a history of more than 5,000 years. The Yellow Emperor's Inner Canon, the Huangdi Neijing, is the earliest and most important medical classic in human history, known as the ancestor of Chinese medicine, and can be regarded as the Bible of TCM. In our video series, The Wisdom of Traditional Chinese Medicine, we will delve into core concepts such as the unity of heaven and humanity, yin, yang, and the 5 elements, the circulation of qi, and the prevention of illness, as well as learning how to integrate them into our daily lives to achieve harmony of body and mind, and longevity, also improved health and happiness. The series covers the following topics. Number 1. The Yellow Emperor's Inner Canon. Ancient Classics and Modern Health. Number 2. The Unity of Heaven and Humanity. The close connection between humans and nature. Number 3. Yin-Yang and the 5 elements. Balance and change in the universe. Number 4. The circulation of qi. The source of vitality. Number 5. The midday and midnight cycle. The natural rhythm of life. Number 6. Dietary therapy and health preservation. The way of nourishment through food as medicine. Number 7. Chinese herbal medicine. The magical power of natural medicines. Number 8. Tui Na massage and cupping. Unlocking the body's self-healing power. Number 9. Acupuncture. Unblocking meridians and balancing yin and yang. Number 10. Qigong and Tai Chi. The essence of TCM movement for health preservation. Number 11. Standing stake and meditation. The secret to mind and body balance. Number 12. Practice and experience. The application of TCM in daily life. Trust me, when you finish watching this series, you will be deeply attracted by the ancient wisdom of the East, and it will change your inherent understanding of the world and life. You will have the confidence to reshape a new self. Please join Dr. Lu on the most important and amazing health journey of your life.